Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change tap screen duration in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Where to find tap duration options? Of course, in the settings. Here we are looking for accessibility options, and under interaction and dexterity we have our tap duration. To change it, we need to go here and tap here twice to test. We can add more. As you can see, now it takes far longer. Yes, keep the duration on. And now our tap duration is extended to almost a whole second. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.